Where's my and it's Thursday morning, February 26th, I believe. It's 50 degrees. Ground is a bit moist because it's been drizzling. I'm hopeful that it is finished. Pretty calm right now. Skies are cloudy, but I have been able to see a little bit of starriness through the clouds. Must be pretty thin. I was planning on going tomorrow, but woke up at 1 o'clock this morning and couldn't go back to sleep, so I decided just go ahead and do it today, man. Shit. I got about 2.5 miles to go, so I guess I better get going. I believe sunrise is at 6:46 from what I think I saw. I'll be walking ridges the whole way here, so I'll make it not too bad, but it is humid. It's 89%. Oh, humidity. Just looked up and I am seeing some stars, even though it looks like there's a very thin layer of clouds. But they're up there, man, so I have high hopes for the morning. Oh, shit far, man. I can't remember if I mentioned or not, but I'm heading into the Richland Creek Wilderness area. Yes, it's my first biogas. Oh. I think I need to go up there, looks like. Well, it's damn steep. Very close, if not there. I think I'm there. I'm here. I have arrived, I guess I should say. There's going to be some fog in the valley. A pretty good view up here. Well, a lot of trees, but yeah. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, about 20 minutes until official sunrise on this rocky promontory. Could be an interesting morning. A few clouds over that way, plus some fog in the valley. Could be real nice, man. Got my crap. It's right up right there. Oh. Spot right there is kind of open. But, there's a bluff over there I need to check out. I do believe. Got a 180 degree view pretty much here. And it's mine, I tell you. All mine. Yes. Yeah, man, it's 6:30. Still about 50 degrees. It's slightly, very slightly breezy. Some fog in the valley, some clouds, some clearness, some humidity. I'm starting to hear some twerplets.
Whew.
Look at that sunrise, man. Well, it does look at it. The sun is up. Turns out to be a pretty damn nice day. So I came here way back. I don't know, when was that? Whew. And no video. I think all I got is a picture that looks like that. It looks familiar. That's really all I remember. Dwarflats. Well, it did dip down to 49 degrees, but we're back to 50 now that the sun's coming up. Well, it's time to move along. It's 8:13. Go over there. That bluff. In there. Very steep side hill walking. And he slips. Ha-hoo. What's on my trash? Oh, that's a nasty temperature right there, man. Oh man, it sure has warmed up quickly. I don't know what it is, but it's gotta be at least 60. That's why I was gonna wait till tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler, maybe 10 degrees. That's a cute little hole right there. Yep. That's real cute. Alright, man, next point over. Hey, there's 3 trees right there. I wonder if you were to hang a pot from them 3 trees, if you could cook right there. Seems like they're upside down though. Yeah. You gotta always be thinking of bushcraft style. All of that is the Richland Creek Wilderness area. That goes on for hundreds of miles. 50 billion acres of wilderness. It's amazing. Is it not? There's a herd of deer down there. One. I saw at least 3 or 4, and a squirrel. Dumb squirrel. Stupid and really dumb squirrel. Bastards, all of them. The next point's got some crap tea. Yeah, that damn squirrel's cussing me out. I only had my 22 man. He'd be going down a downtown. A Jody Brown style. Out there is the valley of Big Devil's Fork. That's the big one, not the long one. The big one. Quite large. Quite juicy, actually. Oh, check out that nice home, man. Oh, yeah. I'll get my whole hand up in that hole. There's very uppermost bluff line there. Highest of them all. Well, at least the humidity has dropped off. It's only 69 now. So I'm not sure about the temperature though. Charlie Brown. Damn you jets. Too many damn jets flying over, man. Think of it. I ain't hear no birds. Oh, there's still that fog in the valley. I don't think that could be smoke because I don't smell anything, but about the driest winter that I can recall in a long time. I wonder what causes that. Well, that's right, it's log riding time. Thank you, big boy. Two stupid squirrels over there. Hi, stupid. Yeah, you. Yeah, you better run. Just don't trip over a vine. It's 10:20. Well, that's 10:20. I don't know what the temperature is. I'm gonna guess about 65.
I'll do it for 40.